Good morning, kids. As we are doing chapter 6 factors and multiples, in my last session I explained you about the factors, and now in this session I will explain you what are multiples. Now see here, a multiple is the product of two or more factors. What means? When you are writing any table, suppose as I write here table of 8, when you are writing a table, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. Now in that table, what product you are writing, this all numbers, what the product you are writing, the product of any two number that you are writing, that are called multiples. Now if I ask you what are the multiples of 8, then you will say first multiple of 8 will be 8, second multiple 16, third multiple 24, fourth multiple 32, and so on. So in this one statement, like I have written here, 8 multiplied by 4 is equal to 32. This 8 and 4, which numbers we are multiplying, these numbers are factors, and what answer we get, the answer of multiply, to which we are calling the product, that product is the multiple of given two factors. So it's very easy to write the multiples. Whenever we ask you to write the multiples of any number, what you have to write, you just have to write the table of that given number. Now I will explain you some facts about multiples. The first multiple of every number is the number itself. Means when we recite table of any number, like 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 fours are 4. Means when we recite the table of any number, the first multiple, what we always get, the number itself. Next fact is, multiples of a number are unlimited. Like I told you in the factors, that the factors of any numbers are limited. We can count that this number is having 2 factors, this number is having more than 2 factors, but multiples are unlimited. There is no end of any multiple. The next fact is, every number is a multiple of 1. Means all the numbers can come on the table of 1. Like 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3, 1 eights are 8, 1 twelves are 12. Means every number is multiple of 1. All the numbers can come on the table of 1. But 1 is the multiple of only number 1. Like if you recite any table, is there any table in which the product you get equals to 1? No. Only on the table of 1 you can get the product is equal to 1. That is 1 ones are 1. So 1 is the multiple of only number 1. Now I will explain you exercise 6.2. As in the first question, you see, observe the patterns in multiples and fill in the blanks. Means you have to write the multiples. Here you have to write the multiples of 10, multiples of 100, multiples of 1000. Like multiple of thousands are, first multiple will be 1000 ones are 1000, 1000 twos are 2000, 1000 threes are 3000, 1000 fours are 4000, 1000 fives are 5000. So here till that the blanks are given, so we will write till 5000. In second question also we have to write the multiples. Observe the numbers and fill in the blanks. Like here, multiples of 4, multiples of 6, multiples of 8. I will do first part. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12 is written. Then 4 fours are 16. Here 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24, and 4 sevens are 28. So these are the factors of 4. In same way you can write the factors of 6 and 8. Here the question is observation. You have to write the multiples of even numbers are. Here you can see when you write the multiples of any even numbers, all the multiples will be even. And here you will write the multiples of 5, 7 and 9 in the same way. And here what you will observe at the end, when you write the multiples of odd numbers, the multiples of odd numbers are odd and even. Odd and even alternatively. Like here they have written first multiple of 5 is 5, then 10, then 15. Here you can see first number is odd, then even, then odd, and then next also will be the even number. So in this way you can solve rest of the parts of these questions. Now I will explain you filling the blanks of that exercise. All the multiples of 10 end with a, when you will write the multiples of 10, that will be 10, 20, 30, 40. That means all the multiples will end with a 0. 1 is the multiple of only the number 1. As I told you when we were writing the facts of multiples, that 1 is the multiple of only the number 1. The multiples of a number is either dash or dash the number. When we will write the multiples of any number, they will be either they will be equal or greater the numbers. They will be either the first multiple will be the equal to that number and all the other multiple will be greater than that number. Multiples of a number are unlimited. Unlimited means there is no end of the multiples. When we are writing, these are endless. So in this way you can do that exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.